I had read books about systems thinking, about empowerment. There was a book by John Seddon where he said that empowerment programs are really required for organizations that take empowerment away from the organization systemically. And I thought, okay, maybe there's a way that we can build a managed services company that actually has empowerment built into the system where people are trained and empowered to fundamentally move with the customer in such a way that there's differentiated value. And it's very much still a work in progress. One is never done with these things because, of course, as soon as you think you've got it, there's a few things that you learn. But in my view, that was what I wanted to do, and I'm really happy with where we're at today. My name is Peter House. I'm the founder and CEO of DeepTree Incorporated. One of the things that we're very proud of is the fact that we develop and grow our staff to deliver, because we believe that having skilled professionals available in person when it matters is a differentiated value proposition. So whether it comes to cybersecurity or system administration or network engineering, we have people that are here on site, whether it's in Montana or in Alaska, who have been trained and developed to deliver for our customers. Our ideal client is a client that cares very, very much about having the best, frankly. When we look at what the buyers that buy DeepTree tend to be folks that have a certain level of stewardship and responsibility around making sure that their data is protected and that they're achieving return on investment. They understand risk. They understand that there are some things that they want to do that are absolutely risk informed and okay, I want to do this. And then in other stages, they're like, no, I want to protect this. I want to be very careful about making sure that this is the company's crown jewels. So they're very thoughtful. Because our value proposition is very much around security and stability, one of the earliest influences on the business, for example, was my sister, who, when I started the company and I had come to her and I was talking about digital transformation and all these other things, she was like, hey, you know what? I have a pretty good sense of how to run the business, but what I really need help with is making sure that when I get to the office every morning, that the business that I'm running is running the way that it should. So where I think that would be really helpful for me is if you had a value proposition that focused on security and stability, because those are the two biggest threats to an organization's operations, really. For the life of the company so far, we've had 0 ransomware and 0 exfiltration, 0 data breaches or compromises for any of our customers. If you're an organization that has questions about AI, cyber insurance, or cybersecurity, we would be more than happy to work with you to dig in and understand what questions you have and develop together answers that fit your organization's needs. Give us a call.